the other day was a bit of a bust. Like, we had the tie game, then Justin Williams, the game-winning goal, defeated the Panthers with a game of 3-1. So, but I got some good news with the Golden Knights. Their goaltender Marc-Andre Fleury is back on the ice after his concussion for a few weeks, so that's good. So they're no more low on goalies now. So, and if you might not notice, I have a little bit of a runny nose and a little bit of a headache, so it's all good. I'm taking care of it, so whatever, what are we gonna do? But hopefully we can get them again, and maybe tomorrow we'll have a win and end our losing streak against the Buffalo Sabres for tomorrow. So I would love to see the Panthers win again. That's what I like to see. So that's all for today. This is Hockey Boy 05 signing off.